BMW iDrive resets are essential for resolving software glitches and maintaining system performance. There are two main types: a reboot, which is a soft reset, and a factory reset. A reboot clears temporary issues by restarting the system without erasing your data. To perform a reboot, hold the iDrive system's power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen turns off and restarts. This is ideal for minor freezes. A factory reset, on the other hand, erases all user data and settings, restoring the system to its original state. Access this option through the iDrive menu under Settings, greater than System, greater than Factory Reset. Use a factory reset only for persistent problems, as it will require you to re-enter your preferences and data. Always back up important data before performing a factory reset. Note that incorrect resets can potentially void the warranty, so it's important to be aware of the risks involved. A frozen iDrive screen is a common issue, often caused by software conflicts or overheating. First, try a simple reboot, as described previously. If that doesn't work, ensure your iDrive system is up to date with the latest software. BMW releases over-the-air updates to address bugs and improve stability. For older systems or persistent freezes, consider visiting a BMW dealership for professional diagnostics. Avoid using unverified third-party apps, as they can cause conflicts. Looking ahead, BMW iDrive is evolving towards AI-driven self-healing capabilities to automatically predict and prevent freezes. Future trends emphasize software resilience over manual resets, with increased reliance on OTA updates and remote troubleshooting via the My BMW app. Stay informed about the latest software developments to minimize the need for manual intervention.